AWS Well-Architected Framework. Pillar 1. Operational Excellence. It is the ability to run and monitor systems, to deliver business value, and to continually improve supporting processes and procedures. Design principles for operational excellence. Perform operations as code. In AWS, you can define entire infrastructure and applications as code and version it as well. You can script your operations procedures and automate their execution by triggering them in response to events. Thus, you limit human error and enable consistent responses to events. Annotated documentation. You can automate the creation of annotated documentation after every build. Then use annotations as an input to your operations as code. Make frequent, small, reversible changes. By automating changes, you increase the velocity of new features to your applications. Further making changes in small increments, you can reverse any error-prone code, thus ensuring delivery of stable services. Refine operations procedures frequently. This helps to look for opportunities to improve by regularly running game days that simulate failures to test your recovery processes. Anticipate failure. By running game days, it lets you mitigate or eliminate potential sources of failure. Learn from all operational failures. Drive improvements through lessons learned. Next part will explain security pillar and its principles. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.